Y'all know this dress. Like, everybody named Mama got this dress from Shein.
Get in, loser. We're going shopping.
Hi babes, hi sunnies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. It is Day, back again with another video for y'all. Today we are going to be doing another try on haul. This haul is going to be from Shein. It's quite big, so let's go ahead and hop into it. I got these 3 bags. So I have these 3 bags full of stuff from Shein. So it started out as kind of like a random kind of haul, but most of the stuff is for like fall and winter. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So originally this was going to be like kind of like a random haul because I kind of started buying random things, but most of the stuff is used for the fall and the winter. So let's go ahead and hop into this video and let me change into the first outfit. Okay, so this is the first outfit. I didn't get these to go together, but they do go together. So first I want to talk about this skirt. This skirt here, I had originally bought it just to go with my court purple ones, just because I don't have a lot of like stuff to go with that. So it's purple and black and white, literally the shoes purple, black, white. So it was like perfect. The only thing is I feel like this type of skirt, because it looks kind of like a athletic type of skirt. So being that it looks like it's kind of an athletic skirt, I would have preferred for this to be like a skirt with like shorts under it, just because it gives that type of vibe. But it doesn't have any shorts under, so it's still cute though. But it would have been even better if it had shorts under, just because it looks like that type of skirt or whatever. But the top here is super cute. It's like a collared shirt. I really do like collared shirts, but this shirt in particular, it could be worn separately, but originally I had bought it to go under a sweater. You know that look where it's like the collared shirt and the sweater on the bottom. I have a sweater here, so I'm about to show you guys exactly what I mean, so give me 1 second. So this is the sweater I had originally bought it for, and as you can see, the shirt is under and the collar is sticking out. So as you can see, the collar is sticking out from that shirt under, and this is the vibe that I wanted from it. This sweater right here gives me Barbie vibes. It says Malibu and then it's pink, so it just reminds me of like Malibu Barbie. So this is super duper cute, and it's very like preppy. So yeah, this is originally what I had bought that collared shirt for, but it's super cute and everything could be worn separate. So yeah, it's super duper cute. This is a look, this is a vibe. I absolutely love this collared sweater look. Like, it's super cute. So let's go ahead and move on to the next outfit. Okay, so this is the next outfit, and it's this shirt and skirt. First, I'm gonna talk about the skirt. So the skirt is super cute. It's like a suede material, and it has like a little gap right here, a little, you know what I'm saying, a little something right here. It's very, very, very cute. I really like it. The skirt is super cute. I really do like it. I feel like it could be worn with different things. I do like this little side detailing. That's why I bought it. And the material on it is very soft. It's like a suede material. And then going into the shirt, it's just this cute little crop top, black, and then it has sugar and spice on the front, as you guys can see. I just love this design. It's so cute. It just reminds me, I don't know, like early 2000s, kind of like Mean Girls type of vibes or whatever. But I love this little top. I'm probably gonna wear this with like leggings or anything around the house or whatever, some shorts or whatever. So yeah, this shirt is super cute. So yeah, I really like these next 2 pieces, and let's move on to the next outfit. So next is this dress. Y'all have seen this dress. Y'all have seen this dress. I know y'all seen this dress all summer long, but yeah, I just really needed it. I felt like this dress was so it. I really think it's the color green for me that really gets me. I just love this coloring. I love it on my skin. Obviously, I won't be wearing this now, but I had thought I was going to Tulum for my birthday or Costa Rica. I was trying to go out the country, babes, and I was going to take this dress with me. So it didn't work out that way, but I do have this for next summer and spring or whatever. But yeah, I love this dress. Y'all know this dress. Like, everybody named Mama got this dress from Shein. But yeah, this dress is in my wardrobe now. I'm glad I have it, but we won't be wearing this as of right now because it's too cold for this, babes. So these 2 are the next 2 items. Obviously, they wouldn't be worn together. I want to talk about the pants first, so I tried to push the camera back as far as I could. But babes, let's talk about these pants though. They are those like cotton, soft cotton material type of pants, and they are so form-fitting. Like, I absolutely love these. I love the pattern on them. And they're that flare out type of pant at the bottom. So I would probably need to wear heels with this because they're kind of long. I'm 5'2", so I'm kind of short. But yes, babes, these pants right here are everything. Like, I'm so in love with these pants, and they're just so soft. It literally feels like you don't even have nothing on. I love, 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 love these pants. So moving on to the top, this is a little crop top that I bought. It's a really cute, just like neutral type of crop top to put on. It has a teddy bear on it. And yeah, I really just got it for more like casual wear and to just kind of like put under different jackets and stuff. Like for example, I can put this under my flannel I got from Shein, which is in this bag right here. So I got this like nude flannel. It's like nude and brown. And I would definitely like throw jeans on or leggings or whatever and kind of just pair these two together. Just like that. So yeah, I just kind of got this shirt to kind of just go under different items in my closet. But yeah, this with like some jeans. Oh yeah, this is a look, definitely. Because they're both like neutral. Okay, so yeah, moving on to the next outfit. Okay, so this right here is probably my favorite thing out of the whole haul. So I had bought this honestly for a photo shoot, and I actually might wear this to my next photo shoot. It's just so cute. Like, it's these same type of pants. They're very like soft and like that cotton material. They make your butt look good, and they're just so cute. They also flare out at the bottom, and the cow print is all throughout. They're just so freaking cute. Like, this is a cute outfit. So I did order a brown cowboy hat to go with this whole like theme. I was looking for a lasso, but they're kind of expensive for just a one-time use type of thing. So I don't know what else I would use, but I think I'm gonna use this for a photo shoot because it's just too cute. Like, it's so cute. I can't. Like, it's very much giving me Doja Cat just because people say I look like her. Giving me Doja Cat. So yes, I love this so much. So the shirt is super duper cute and simple. It's a brown crop top, and then it has cowgirl written in the jewels, the rhinestones or whatever. Super duper cute. I just really, really, really love this outfit. Like, this is a vibe. Just imagine me with my hat wet, and I'ma ride it like a rodeo. I'ma ride it like a rodeo. Yes, like, this is just too cute. So let me move on to the next outfit. Okay, so I just wanted to show y'all this little sweater I got from Shein as well. It says Brooklyn on it, and it's just like in this nude color. It's really, really cute. I wore this to dinner actually last night, and it's just so comfy. I love it so much. I thought it wasn't going to be like warm and thick, but it actually is pretty thick, and I was very warm last night. So I really do love this. So yeah, I love these hoodies that Shein carries. They have all types of like different cities and states on sweaters, and I absolutely love it. This is so cute. And what I did is pair it with this hat. So yeah, I did get this hat too from Shein, and it's just like a little throw-on hat. And I actually wore this with jeans, this hat and this sweater with some jeans last night to dinner, and it's just so cute. Like, I just love this. It's just a cute little cozy throw-on type of fit, and I could definitely see myself wearing this sweater all the time now that it's getting cold. So these are the next two items. I don't really particularly like both of them, and I'm gonna tell you why. So first of all, this skirt, I don't know if I should have gotten it a size smaller, like an extra small, or what, but I'm just not feeling it. I don't know if you guys can tell with the bodysuit, but basically it has like a cutout here, and I don't exactly know how I'm supposed to wear this. It's supposed to give the illusion, I guess, that this is like a thong piece or something. I don't know. I feel like it was cute on the model, but I really just hate this on me. I don't know where I'm supposed to wear this, and it's not like super form-fitting, so I think I was supposed to get it in a smaller size maybe. I don't know, but I just don't see myself ever like wearing this skirt because it's just not it to me. And then next is this bodysuit. I didn't realize that this bodysuit was like completely see-through even on the top. So bodysuits like this, I like for the boob area to have coverage, and then like the stomach part to be like see-through or whatever and lacy, because that's just really cute. But no, this is like literally completely see-through, so there's nothing I can do with this. So being that there's nothing that I can really do with this on a daily basis, I just feel like maybe some black pasties or something like that, but I really don't like it just because I really thought that it was going to have a covering here, because I just, when I'm posting. So yeah, I'm really just not feeling these pieces, but yeah, that's that on that. So let's go ahead and So let me go ahead and show you guys the last clothing item and then all the accessories that I got. Okay, so this is the last item, and this is a jacket. It's like cotton material. It's so cute. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like navy blue. And then the butterfly, oh my gosh. I've been obsessed with like jackets and hoodies that have like rhinestones in it, and I'm in love. Like, oh my gosh, this is just so cute. I'm so in love with it. It's so pretty. So yeah, it just zips up. And I just kind of got it as a casual jacket. I just kind of got this as a casual jacket just to throw on, either with leggings, jeans, whatever. I don't know. But I just thought it was so cute and I wanted it. So we got it. And I would definitely say that it's a little warmer than I thought it was going to be. Now, I wouldn't go outside in this in like 30-degree weather. But yeah, it's definitely cute for the fall. And it has a hood on it as well. So that's always a plus. It doesn't have any pockets, so that's a downside because I like my sweaters to have pockets, but it's cute though. It's still cute. So now I'm going to show you guys a few accessories that I got from Shein as well. So first is like this waist chain, and it basically looks like a belt, and it's all like bedazzled out. I'm thinking of wearing this with like some jeans maybe, because it's actually really long, but it looks like a belt though. So it's like a jewelry belt. I don't know, but it's cute. I like it. It's real cute. So next I got this tote bag. And so it looks like this, kind of just a little bag to throw stuff in, you know, whatever. But yeah, it says let's grow together, and it has butterflies on it. So yeah, I just thought this was a cute little tote bag. Nothing special, it was like $4, but I really do like it. So next are these shades. I've been wearing these shades literally all summer. I don't know why I'm just not showing you guys these, but these shades right here, babes, yes. Yes, I love these shades. So I got these from Shein, and I've been loving them. I've literally been wearing them all over Instagram. So that's that on that. I want to show you guys this really cute little bag I got, and it looks like a pearl. So yeah, this is how the purse looks. It's super cute. It's all pearled out. It's just so cute. Like, this is a cute little bag. And it also had this in the inside, so I don't know what's in here though. So this right here is to make it a crossbody. I don't even know how you would do that. Like, I don't see how you would do that, but there's a way on here. I don't see how you would make this a crossbody because I don't see just how that would be done. But they did include this extra like strap, I guess, to make it a crossbody bag. But this is so freaking cute. I love this. I don't know where I'm going in it, but I absolutely love it. And to go along with the purse, I got this little pearl necklace just to kind of throw in some more pearl. And I have a pearl headband too, not from Shein, but I got a pearl headband too, so I can really just do a whole look, you know what I'm saying, based off pearls. And lastly, I got these little earrings. They were literally like $1, and they're so cute. I wore them already in like a video or whatever, but these are so cute. They're like ninja stars, and yeah, they were like $1, and they're black, and they're just super cool. Like, they're just a cool earrings. So I bought this bag, this jean bag, prior to me even buying my Marc Jacobs bag, and let me show you guys. So I had a plan for this bag, but it just wasn't like big enough, so I never used it. So this is how it looks. It's just like a jean type of like tote bag or whatever. So I was going to take this bag, and my plans for this bag right here was to take it and add all of these little things right here are a bunch of different pins. I'm gonna take one out so you guys can see, but they're literally like a bunch of little pins to put on the bag. So I don't know if I'm still gonna do it with this bag or add them to my Marc Jacobs bag, but I don't want to ruin my Marc Jacobs bag. So these are just a bunch of different pins, and they all are just different, and they're super duper cute. So I'm gonna take one out and let me show you guys. I took one out and let me just show you guys. So this right here, so let me just show you guys. This right here is a scorpion. Y'all know I'm a Scorpio, and I absolutely love this. And it's just a little pin that you put on anything really, but I want to use it for my bags. And yeah, so that's everything I bought from Shein. So that is everything that I ordered in this Shein haul. I do have another Shein package coming, so there will be another Shein haul video for you guys very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so the next time that I drop a video, babes, you don't know when, then you'll be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on social media for daily content. And anything that is still available on Shein will be down below in the description. Per usual, y'all know I already be giving y'all the sauce. I always give y'all the sauce, always, always. So if it's available on Shein, then it will be down below. If it's not listed down below, that means that the item is no longer available. So yes, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you.